Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger chat head pop-up not working. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Messenger app first. You can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your phone. Tap on there. And after that, when you scroll down, you can see the option over here, chat apps. If your chat heads is turned off like this, turn it on right away and chat heads will start popping out. And another way is, if your Messenger app has stored a lot of data and it's hanging up, you can clear the data and make little bit more lighter so that it could load up the chat heads. To do that, go to your settings on your phone, and after that you need to search for the option which says apps, and here it is, apps. And after that, after you have landed on this interface, please search for the messenger option or the messenger app, and here it is. And after that, you can see the storage option available over here. Just tap there, and you can see the clear cache option. Just tap there, and the clear cache has been cleared, and your chat head pop-up should be working right now. But don't clear the data, it will wipe all the data out of your messenger, so be cautious of that. Now another way is that if your phone has disabled the notifications of the messenger, in order to allow it, you can see the notification over here. Previously we went to storage, now you can see this notification option over here with the under the category app settings. Tap there, and after that you need to turn all of these options on, especially the chat heads active. You can see the option over here. You need to turn all of these on. And lately, if your messenger app has not been updated, try checking an update for your messenger app by going into the Play Store. And and as well, you can see my messenger app is up to date. And lastly, after all these fixes, you can try and restart your device properly. And if that does not solve your problem, guys, please comment in the comment section below so I can go through that problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.